All right, thanks for joining me today. This is Laura with Jot and Tittle Typewriters. I have a cute little Royal. This is a Royal Junior, and it's from 1938, and I'll tip it up so you can see the front as well. This is definitely a no-frills typewriter, and I haven't done a lot of research, but I suspect this really truly was for kids. There's no margins, no bell, no nothing. Who knows? Maybe they typed letters to Santa or did homework on them or something like that. But it works really well. It does only take black ribbon, so it doesn't have the two colors. So there is just, when I say no frills, no bells and whistles, there's no bells, no whistles, no nothing on this, just types. So there's not a whole lot to show you other than here's your carriage release lever right here. Here's your paper release, so it releases the tension. And this little lever here releases, does it do? I thought it released the roller, but it doesn't. That one just turns the carriage off or on. I mean, it turns the return handle off or on, engages it off or on. Here's the plate with the serial number right there on the left side. So let's go ahead, and that's all there is to it. It has the round glass keys, shift and shift lock. Top doesn't open because the ribbon is right there. And then this does take a universal ribbon. So we do sell the black only universal ribbon on our website, jotandtittletypewriters.com. You can get those there. All right, let's go ahead and do the typing demo. Okay, so we've got our regular, I just use computer paper that you can get at Walmart or any other store, and you just set it there, turn it through. And there's no margins on this. It just is what it is, okay? So, no number 1, so you use the lowercase l. This is a 1938. And you know this types super well. Shift lock. Royal Junior. And I would say I wish it came in a smaller case or it had a shorter profile for travel purposes, but because it's so small, it would be great for travel. But I think the case is just a little too big for travel, but it's definitely ultra portable. And it does slide. I have a slippery table. It's sliding all over the place. Okay, here we go. Whoops. So I have noticed you can't type fast on this. It types well, but not fast. Okay. I was getting too fast there. All right, so let's go through. So I typed out the sentences. I really liked it. So, but this is not going to be something you're going to want to write a book on, but this would be really good for letters and poetry and occasional use, and even for your kids. I mean, the keys are super easy to use. But if you're a serious writer and you want to pump out a bunch of stuff, this is not the typewriter for you. But if you're a casual writer and you want something that's it's really great shape, you're gonna really like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out all the keys. The shift lock holds pretty well. I like the keys, they're bouncing back up really easy. Now, since this is a portable, no frills typewriter, the return handle is a lot smaller than I particularly care for, so it makes it a little bit harder to advance to the next line. But that's not because it's a defect, it's just the way it is. So you're going to want to put this on a, this slides around a lot. There's no weight. That's because there's no weight to it. It's so small. So you are going to want to put this on a no-slip surface. Okay. So here you go. So you can take a look at how that came out. Came out really well. And so you can look at the pictures at the link in our description below. There'll be up-close photos of the font plus of the typewriter. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching and have a blessed day.